to go. There you go. Point to me whenever you're recording.
It's already recording.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we are at halftime on the Super Bowl today. Yeah, this is Walby from Wallbies Warriors, wallby.deviantart.com. Son, you are so blocking me. And like most other nerds who are likely not into sports nor replacing batteries in a remote, I couldn't care less. I didn't even get this thing going. I didn't even get this thing going on the right time. It's like halftime on the Super Bowl.
Move, Rams.
Ramses, come here. Alright. So here's what I'm doing. Get my son to come over here and help me. Son, come here. Stand by me. Come on down. Come on down.
I can't.
Hey, yes you can, get down. So in honor of Super Bowl Sunday, with this being the first Super Bowl Sunday that I get to have while being a part of YouTube, I decided I'm going to start a tournament. Tournament's what got us the Super Bowl. I'm going to do an old school tournament with SmackDown. Shut your mouth. This is the first game that ever got the WWE logo instead of the WWF. And on one of my memory cards, I have a DC versus Marvel roster, split down the center, 32 characters. And we are going to do a tag team tournament chosen at random by you. If you would like to make the first draw, young man. Here you go, Easter basket. Let's draw our first name. Pick a name out.
Is that for me?
Well, you can pick one out. Pick one out. Who we got? We got Bizarro. Sit down, dude. So Bizarro is going to be our first tag team guy. Grab another one. And Wonder Woman. So Bizarro and Wonder Woman are going to be our first team. Grab another one. Let's make this match official. Spider-Man.
Yay!
Alright, Spidey.
Yeah.
Grab one more, and Daddy's going to do the next drawing. Finish her all up. Juggernaut. So we got Spider-Man and Juggernaut. Oh, you want to do the next one? Okay. Batman. Hold on.
Batman. Wonder Woman.
Alright, next. Doomsday. That's an interesting
Doomsday.
Next. Elektra. Elektra, okay. Next. Dr. Doom.
Joker Doom.
Yep, alright. Next draw. Who's next? Start up another team. Superman.
Superman.
Alright, who's next with Superman?
Bat.
Martian Manhunter.
Now, Mandarin Hunter.
Who's next here? Did I get you? Venom.
That's Venom.
Venom. And Wolverine. So there's a 90s team up right there, I'm sure. Hulk.
Yeah. Oh.
Reverse Flash or Professor Zoom. Aquaman. What you got? And the Joker. Aquaman and Joker are going to be a team. Wow. We're getting like Marvel on Marvel characters. Green Lantern. So we got GL. Who's GL teaming up with? Lobo, Last Zarnian. That's Kyle Rayner, Green Lantern, by the way. Cheetah. What's Cheetah like be teamed up with somebody from Marvel? Cyclops.
That's too even.
No, that's Triclops. Sit down, dude. Sit down and face the camera. Here. Face mama. Next, we got Black Panther. We're almost done here. Alright, who's next? Who's next, buddy? Rhino. Black Panther and Rhino. Got an animal theme going with that team. Alright, next is Kingpin. So Wilson Fisk is going to team up with Daredevil. Sabretooth. Alright, Sabretooth. Victor Creed. And Iron Man. Iron Man, okay. That's awesome. I get to clean that up. Bane. Bane for our next team. And Robin. Okay. Alright, last match. Last matchup that we got. We got 8 matches total. Absorbing Man, Crusher Creel. And Jean Grey, Phoenix. The Flash. And there's only one left, so who's teaming up with Flash? We must have double drawn on something, dude. What's up?
I don't know. Maybe I want to.
Well, so much for that being organized.
Who did it?
Hey, hop down. I'm going to figure out who the Flash's teammate is going to be real quick here. Flash is going to be teamed up with... Who?
Green Lantern.
No, not Green Lantern. We already pulled him.
How bad?
Darkseid. Darkseid. I didn't pull him in there. So we got Darkseid and the Flash.
No.
So here we go. Our first matchup for this tournament, which will start tonight, we'll have the tag team of Bizarro and Wonder Woman against Spider-Man and Juggernaut. We're going to try to get the first round done this evening, and we will continue on with everything after that. And I will be sure to post the tournament bracket up on wallbie.deviantart.com. We're going to have a little fun on this night of football championship isms and stuff like that. Say bye, Ramses.
Bye.